I love that you can use these cookie cutters to make fun things that are not cookies. Like we can cut out some hearts in the cheese. Oh, look at that. You know what would be good to get this out? Oh, look at how cute. And then you can cut a heart in the middle of the cucumber. Get that all the way through. And then put the cheese right in there. Oh, so adorable, right? We can do a star. Same thing. That piece is to eat. Push it out gently. A cute little star. Make a star here. Push that out. The possibilities are endless.